Here I sit on Butternut Hill. Who could blame me, cry my fill? And every drop would turn a mill. Johnny has gone for a soldier. Shoal, shoal, agra. Shoal, shoal, agra. I'd sell me rock, I'd sell me wheel, I'd even sell my spinning wheel to buy my Johnny a coat of steel. Johnny has gone for a soldier. Shoal, shoal, agra. Shoal, 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 agra.
As I crossed over Salisbury Plain, such a dainty fine sight I behold, as the lassies were crying and tearing their hair, for the Rout has just come for the blues, for the Rout has just come for the blues. Then each one home to their mothers do run, saying me heart is undone, it is true. I'll pack up me clothes without more delay, and boldly I'll march with the blues. and boldly I'll march with the blues. The landlord and landlady walk hand in hand, and so do they pretty girls too. And each one pours out a bottle of gin to drink a good health to the blues, to drink a good health to the blues. Our ship she's rigged and we all set sail. How sweetly the French horn play too, and each one sent up a loud huzzah. Success to King George and his blues, success to King George and his blues. They're as gallant young fellas as ever you see, though you search bonny Britain all through. When dressed in his majesty's suit you'll agree, there are none to compare with the blues, there are none to compare with the blues. As I crossed over Salisbury Plain, such a dainty fine sight I behold, as the lasses were crying and tearing their hair, for the rout has just come for the blues, for the rout has just come for the blues.